Please note that you have the option to copy an experiment or delete one. Next, in question 2, it asks if the experiments include survival surgery, so in my case, no, and click continue. Next, in the procedure personnel assignment page, you will get a list of all the procedures that you added to your experiments, and you will have the option to mark or unmark the team personnel who will be working on this procedure. In question 2, the system will be showing all the trainings that have been completed by each team member, and you will have the option to filter by first and last name. If there are any background strains, you can add them by typing the strain between two percent signs and filling out this information. In the animal justification page, the PI needs to explain why they require the number and types of species that will be used in this protocol. So in question 1, you can adjust the number of animals by clicking on the edit icon and changing the number. In question 2, if you have adjusted the number of animals for this protocol, you need to explain why. And in question 3, you need to provide the rationale behind or for using the animals in this protocol. Next, in question 4, justify the number of animals to be involved in this protocol. And in question 5, justify why you chose the proposed species to be used in this protocol. Next, answer question 6 optionally, and if you have supporting documents, you can attach them in question 7. In the alternative searches and duplication page, the PI needs to record all the searches that they have done to find alternatives for procedures that will be painful or distressful to animals. So click on Add. And if there are any procedures you added to the experiments that will be causing pain or distress, they will be listed here. And then you need to select the date of search that you did for other alternatives and select the databases that you searched. Optionally, you can fill in these other questions. Then click OK or cancel. Next, optionally, you can answer question 2, and in question 3, select yes as a PI to assert that the activities described in this proposal do not unnecessarily duplicate previous experiments. And if you need more information about this, click on the help icon. Next, click continue. In the housing and use, question 1 asks you to identify each vivarium location where animals will be housed or used. And in question 2, you need to specify each non-vivarium location where animals will also be housed or used. So you can add a location by typing the name and specifying which species will be stored in this location. I am selecting this one. And next, you need to select the number of hours that the animals will be kept, and optionally answer question 4 and 5. You can do the same for question 2, and then click continue. In the disposition page, in question 1, you need to select what your disposition plans for the animals when this research is complete are, and next you need to provide an animal disposition description.